Hello, it's Made to Shine Monday. I'm going to be reading from the book Made to Shine by April Rogers, 90 Devotions to Enjoy and Reflect God's Light. So I'm going to be reading from page 10 and 11 today. Made to Shine. You were made to shine. Jesus said to live so that when others see your light, the good works that you do, they will praise your Father in heaven. Matthew 5:16. That's a really big deal. If we live at our calling to shine, and then the God of all creation gets the praise that he is due. Once we realize our purpose in this life, we can live with intentionality in our everyday lives, allowing everything that we do to reflect the light that was put inside us by Jesus himself. Within every geographical location, as well as every generation, there exist divine opportunities that point others to God, just as the beautiful young Queen Esther was told by her wise uncle when she was faced with a life or death situation. Who knows, perhaps you have come to your royal position for such a time as this. Esther 4:14. Esther did not run from the situation, but instead rose to the challenge and was able to shine. Just as Esther shone, you too, my friend, have been appointed for such a time as this to shine right where you are by taking your everyday life activities and using them as an opportunity to point to Christ. In the workplace, in the classroom, in the car pickup line, in the gym, in the restaurant, and in our homes, we are called to let our light shine in all of these places so that others are attracted not only to the only thing that matters, a relationship with the one true God. Let's be women who resolve to rise to the challenge and let our light shine. Who knows, perhaps you were made to shine for such a time as this. Lord, strengthen us to be women who are willing to shine for you in every aspect of our lives so that you are praised. Amen. That's from the book Made to Shine, and this is Made to Shine Monday, and more will come next week.